today. So the next video is now going to be, I think we just came off one video and we're going into another. Now I want to show y'all what I got from Miranda Frye. So let me put my purse down and get a pair of scissors out because here is the package. I haven't even opened it yet. Alright, I've got to have a sip of my coffee. Isn't that pretty? A friend of mine gave me this. This is part of the Port Marion, I think. Or is it? No, this is Redoute Roses by Roy Kirkham. Rosa Mucosa. Rosier. Guess it's French. Or maybe it's Italian. I don't know. But look, y'all, this is so nice that when you drink out of it, do y'all see? It has a little rose, a little clipping of a rosebud. That rose looks almost like a peony. And roses don't really look like that in person. Or do they? Maybe some do. Good coffee today. Alright. Let's cut and get in. Again, Miranda Frye is a brand that I have just picked up on. Who was it that was wearing it on YouTube? Long time ago. A few months ago. Not like years or anything. I don't even know how long this brand has been in existence. I need to go look it up because I don't remember. I haven't done a whole lot of research. And you know, almost anytime you go to someone's website, on the homepage, it will say about. And that's how you learn about the company if you care about certain aspects. You know, if something's cruelty-free, if something's, you know, got clean ingredients or something like that. So you can go look up Miranda Frye as well. It's nice that when she sends these, she sends each one of the packages wrapped in Miranda Frye tissue paper, which is a very nice way. Now this is not in a box. This was in an envelope. I did get the little card, so that's probably got my receipt in it. I'll look in just a second. So I got 4 pieces. If I can get this off my finger. And I would have loved more. It's really some great stuff. And I don't actually now remember what I settled on. So this will be a surprise. Be confident, be you. Is there anything I should tell you about this? Okay, so I got some tiny gold stud earrings. The Shay necklace, which is, that's who it was. Shay, what's her name on YouTube, y'all? I'll have to look real quick. I think it's Shay Whitney. Is that what it is? And I really do like her. The Ashley necklace and the Stephanie necklace. So these are the Ophelia studs. Hold on, let me go back to YouTube. I think it's Shay Whitney. And y'all, I really do like her. She's growing like a weed on YouTube as far as her subscribership. She puts a lot of effort into editing. And, yes, Shay Whitney. Shay is spelled S-H-E-A, Whitney. And she's just fun to watch. She is married with some kids, and she just redid a closet, or I think it's a room, homemade, and it looks like one of those California closets. Her and her husband did such a good job. And sometimes, I don't know if he's the one that does the filming and editing, but sometimes they do things where she looks like her clothes are jumping on her. It is just amazing the editing she does, y'all. You will not find that from me. You will not. But then this is one of her full-time jobs. I forgot what else she does, and she tells what it is. But anyway, so this comes in the little pretty emblem box. Ooh, those are very tiny. Those are super tiny. But see, for something like this, okay, let me show you. Like for today, I have 2 holes. And I really wanted to wear these in the bottom hole because whenever I wear a swinging earring, for whatever reason, it seems to do better on my bottom hole. Now, the other bad thing about the bottom hole is it's the oldest. It's, you know, like me. It's the older part of my earring holes. And so, I don't think they're going to, like, what's the word, like rip through or anything, but, you know, you never know. So I'm going to take this out. And I think what I'm going to do is push these back through because they're so tiny. I wonder if they're going to get lost in my earring hole. They're super duper tiny. Can y'all see that? Super tiny. But I did want a smaller. I just didn't realize they'd be this small. But I did want a smaller earring, and I don't mind it being this small. I just hope it's really wearable and not going to get lost. These would be great for a child, but they're kind of expensive for a child. But they look like real diamonds. They really do. It is quality, and I don't know if y'all can see that. So that's just, you know, if you have more than one hole and you want some delicate little, just plain, you know, rhinestone, or they're supposed to look like little diamond studs. I say little diamonds, but they're obviously they're not real diamonds. There we go. And I will go ahead and wear them that way. And there they are. They are very pretty. And because they're small, honestly, they're more believable. So when you see, y'all, my ears go out, which I like because they're small and they stay back on my head, except for the fact that I love earrings and they don't face forward like that. So you can't really see them. Okay, next. And we're just going to keep going. I don't know how many videos this will end up being. Probably a third video. Because I did a haul before this that went into this one. And see, she also puts her little sticker on the paper. Just, it's a nice touch that she's going to the trouble. I don't know how new this brand is. I feel like it is new. Again, nice logoed box. So if you wanted to get one of these pieces as a gift, it's a very nice presentation. All right. And this was the, I think this is the Shea. And look, it looks like little station diamonds. And again, I wear my cross every day. Now I have a silver cross and a gold one, so this will be a great small piece to wear above. And because they're little tiny ones, it'll pick up these. So that will look very pretty. And then, let's see what the next one is. That one could be worn by itself or in layering. That's what I like about that. Oh, and this is even shorter. Attention, my babes. Pulling the tag may unnecessarily cause breakage. Please cut off your security tag. Do not pull. Okay, this is a really good fake. My goodness. This is just a single solitaire. It's a little bit bigger. And you could wear that one and this one just a little bit lower. And that would be really pretty layering is why I got this. But either one of these could be worn by themselves. Either one of these could be a beautiful gift for a friend. If you have a girl boss. For a sister, for one of your daughters, a niece, whoever. These are great gifts, y'all. It's very good quality is what I'm trying to tell you. It's a little more expensive for costume jewelry, but it looks like real jewelry. And honestly, I just enjoy it. I think it's really pretty. As far as the wear and tear, I do not know. That would be a good thing to ask someone who's worn it longer, but I get the impression that that it is oops, hold on. Okay, so here's the other one. What is this one called? I think this is called the Stephanie. Okay, I love this. I love this because of the link. And this, again, is a layering piece you could wear underneath this. So these can all go together or they can be separate. I can't wait to wear this one. I think that is so pretty, the way that it sparkles. Can y'all see that? I'm purposely moving it so you can see how it just flashes. I think that is so beautiful. These little, and on the bottom it has a little charm that's a Miranda Frye charm. Really love it. And I believe this one is also adjustable. So that's it. Those are the 4 pieces. I got the tiny, tiny little studs, the tiny little station studs. You know, where it's just, and I believe, does it say? Okay, on this piece, it doesn't say the links, but I'm pretty positive. Yep, they're adjustable. Look. So you can just do all kinds of stuff. You can make this longer. This is adjustable too. Normally I have this cross way up here. Or, I don't know if y'all can see my cross. Way up here. It's just a plain gold cross. The necklace is real gold, but the charm isn't. I don't even remember where I got this charm. I do not remember. So it can be up here or down here. And therefore, I could put these little ones up here. Or make them come down just a little and really layer. Have 3 layers. And put this one. Actually, we're looking at this backwards. Let's look at this forwards. There. That is one of the best fakes I've ever seen, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see how believable that is. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I don't know if y'all can see. That is really pretty. And again, okay, this is not adjustable. Let me see. Does it say how many inches? It does not say. we'll see. This one is made to be right here, to be right at your collar line, right at the base of your neck. So I think it's 17 inches. 16 inches is a little snug on me, just, you know, getting older. This has gotten bigger, partly because of weight and partly just because your throat skin lets go and you start having these wrinkles. But I think this will still be very, very pretty. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. That, you know, sometimes you want to get some staple pieces. I'm fixing to go through my jewelry and get rid of a lot of pieces. I've heard about that you can sell online, not Poshmark, but I think it's something stop, pop, 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 shop, pop. I gotta check it out. But a lot of YouTubers use it, and I'd be happy to sell some of my jewelry online. And if it's the costume pieces, it'll be, you know, enough to pay for shipping, you know. And of course, first I'm giving it to my friends and my family. The kids, the grandkids, my sister, my niece, my bestie, maybe some friends at work. I don't know. Sometimes it's fun to do a jewelry swap at work. So anyway, that's all there is, and I hope y'all have enjoyed this. And I love y'all very, very much. Y'all, I'm so enjoying this candle. It just smells so good. All right, y'all. Love you. Bye.